Number 2. Firestone Destination AT. Firestone's destination. AT is a game changer. Whether you're on the road or off it, this tire excels in every condition. You'll appreciate the versatility of the Destination AT. Built for Jeeps, SUVs, and pickup trucks, it can handle everything from smooth highways to rugged trails. Available in 3 sidewall choices, including a cool carbon black camo design, there's a style to match every vehicle. Handling on the road feels superb. Tight turns, sudden stops, and even high speeds are no problem. The grip remains strong and reliable, giving you great confidence. Off the road, toughness is what sets this tire apart. Rocky paths and muddy streets become easy terrain thanks to its rugged build. That 50,000-mile tread life is a huge benefit. You won't need replacements anytime soon, saving you both time and money. Whether it's winter snow or summer rain, this all-season performer doesn't disappoint. Unlike other all-terrain models, it manages weather challenges effectively without compromising on traction. You might notice some road noise, especially at high speeds. It isn't too distracting and seems like a fair trade-off for the exceptional all-terrain capabilities. Firestone Destination AT offers top-tier performance at an unbeatable price. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.